relax for me? I know it's hard. This is still new to you. That's good, just like that.
Oh, yeah.
It's scary. Very good. Very good. Okay, now we're going to go down to the middle of the neck here on this side and do a similar thing, but you need to relax for me. You'll be all right. I promise. I will wait until you're relaxed. I have no problem with that. Okay. Okay, let's test our motion again. Now relax for me. This is just the test. Open your eyes. This is just the test. You're doing good. You're doing good. I'm just going to give it a little tiny push. Just a tiny push. I'm not pulling teeth. Okay, that's it. You have to trust me.
Yes, I trust you. I trust myself.
That's good. Okay. Let's put that like that. Like that. All right. Sounds like a Taekwondo class. Okay, turn on your side and face me.
Facing you? I'm sweating.
Yes, so am I a little bit. Hey, turn the aircon on. Now this is the one where you take a deep breath, remember? And then you're going to bear down with pressure, okay? All right, wait till I tell you. Okay, now take a deep breath. Now bear down with pressure. There you go. Hold it just like that. Perfect. All right. The leg?
This one.
Yeah. Okay. Take a deep breath. Bear down.